Hello and good morning, Beard Channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix a patchy beard. What I do with my morning routine, how I get ready, and what I use to fix my patchy beard. First, I want to tell you a little bit about a little contest or a little giveaway that's going on, giving away a beard kit. Simple, right? Yeah, who doesn't want a beard kit? All I need to get is 50 subscribers to start this off. Pretty simple. I have a short video out, so go ahead and click on that, or on this video, click on subscribe. And don't worry if you've already subscribed to this short video, I will not forget you. If everybody loads it up on this video here or subscribes to this one, you're already counted. Again, I need 50. Okay, 50 subscribers. That's all. And in a couple weeks, we'll pick out the. I'll announce on another video, I should say, that the contest is over, and then we'll go ahead and pick a random winner. Easy said and done. But for today's video, we're going to go over how to fix patchy beard, what I like to do, what I like to use, how I like to start off my day. First, let's go jump in the shower. Let's get washed up, get the hair washed, get the beard washed. Don't forget you have to use the beard wash. And then we'll be back to start working on the beard. Don't go anywhere. Remember, hit that subscribe button. Also, like and share to help those subscribers reach 50 faster. Be right back. Alright, now we have the shower out of the way. Hopefully you've clicked the subscribe button. Don't forget to enter to win the beard kit. First things first, I take my comb, start with the hair, work my way down. Beard's wet, letting it dry just a little bit before I apply the oil. So we're gonna comb the hair back a little here. This is so I can get a natural part here on the side. But one thing I like to do, just a little bit, I showed you in the intro videos what I like to use a little bit of. It might be funny to some of you. Brill cream. And I know I'm not even 40 yet, but this old school Brill cream. Take a little dab. Like it says, a little dab will do you. Just drop a little bit of that oil out there. Now this is actually really healthy for your hair. I mean, I've seen people put it on their beard hair when it's longer. It makes it soft, straight. So we'll put that down. So take this, get all over the hands there. We'll just rub it through the hair. And this allows it to stay in position too, for wherever you're, however long you're planning on styling your hair for, for the day. And it also alleviates a lot of the greasy gunk that, well, this is kind of greasy, but the other gels that you may need. So here's what I do real quick to find a part. I'll show you some more videos on that down the road. So take the comb, it's combed over. We're gonna take a piece of hair here. To find a line, we're just gonna pull it. We're gonna take the comb that right there. If you can see that, nice straight part. Get the comb going. And also, when you're putting your shirts on, when you use Brill cream or something along those lines, and your hair gets a little distorted, you can just flip it back with your hands. It's really simple. So we'll leave it like this for now, since we're not fully dressed yet. Okay. Number 2, as I said, we're working our way down. Little shaving cream. We're gonna work on this part here. And this. And this. Got my Target razor here. Okay, we're gonna use this today. And I'm gonna go over the difference between the Target razor and the Dollar Shave Club razor, because after we're done shaving the neckline here and here, sometimes I use a little bit of this Dollar Shave Club post-shave dew. It's really good. On there. As well, you don't need too much, because remember, you just got a shower. So by having a shower, your hair's, I'm just gonna say your hair's kind of loose. It's opened up your hair follicles, okay? So it makes it a lot easier to shave out. Oh yeah. That way you don't need, when you're not shaving a lot of hair, it's hard to do the upstrokes, side strokes, all those other, whatever you call them. So it's just easy to do that, and that's it. So remember, you want it to come down here and contour. Do that. For that. Flip the razor around, use the other side for this. I get a little hair here, so I'll just groom that up. See how we're doing here. Looks good. Cold water on that. Take the towel. Wipe that down. Cool, right? Easy. Now, as I said, I use that post-shave stuff. This Dollar Shaves. Sometimes. I don't use it all the time. You shake it up. A couple squirts. Lather it up. Just put it under there. This helps. Even if your neck gets a little red, it will help to maintain that. It's a good hydrator. You can put it all around. Really no smell to it at all either. Just wipe it off. Okay. Now, on to this is the third step. All right, but before we get there, don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Especially subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe to the channel, not only are you helping me out with subscribers, but you're entered to win that free beard kit. So remember, once we get to 50 subscribers on the channel, I'll go ahead and unlock the contest. Everybody who subscribed, whether it's 50 or 500, will be entered to win the free beard kit. No joke. Simple as that. Like, share, subscribe, but make sure you subscribe. Okay, on to the next step. If you've seen any of my previous videos, you know that I have been derma rolling. Okay, needling, micro needling, this part. Okay, and I think, no joke, I'm very, very skeptical, but I think it's actually doing something. I think I'm getting a little bit of hairs growing, but I'll show you what else I use as well. So, I'll do this today. You can definitely feel it. Poking minute little holes. I used to have more of a thin spot here, but I've been doing this for about 3 weeks now, or so, maybe not even, but it seems to have been thickening up. So derma rolled. Twice a day I've been using this stuff here. Elevate Hair Growth Oil. There's another video that I have with that on there, so take a look at that one. And let me know in the comments if you're using any of this type of stuff yourself, and if you've got any luck with it, or what products you guys are using, or any other tips that I should be trying out for you guys, or things you'd like me to try out that I'm not doing yet. Willing to be your guinea pig to possibly save you money or get you the product that actually works. Okay, so we're gonna get a nice hefty load of this, little drippers, and I like to drip it directly on the skin. There we go. It's really runny. It's not like beard oil at all. No. Make sure you get it in there. no puns intended. Strictly tutorial on how to do this. Now, it is Christmas Eve, so I don't know how many of you guys are going to watch this. If you don't watch it today, you can watch it tomorrow, right? Go here. It's a little thicker on this side than here, so what the hell? We'll try it here. Patch it up here. Okay. This is the Nag Champa here. I really love this one, guys. I really do. Remember, shake it up. This one is the one that smells like a Renaissance festival in the 21st century. Nice dropper. Plus, they give you 2 fluid ounces for like 11 bucks. $11–12. You can't go wrong. Now, I've showed you the tips where you just rub it all through your hands. Today, I'm going to show you what I'm doing here. I'm going to go all through, zigzagging through the beard while squeezing the dropper. Yeah, on one side. Get that to go through. Next side. Same difference. Let that sit there for a second. Let it start to run through the beard. Take a little bit. Dab it through the stash as well. And not only, guys, does this smell really good and lasts, you know, for a long time. The smell, that is. It works. It keeps your skin really soft underneath the beard. Okay. Now, I got the beard oil all over the face. What am I going to do? Of course, fingers. Up through. We're going to start with the up and through. Up and through. Up and through. Same with the mustache here. Just like that. There we go. And get it all through there. Oh, that's wonderful. Under the chin, because don't forget we're growing this here, so we want to make sure we get that. And I wash my hands just a little bit after I'm done. Because they're not oily. I know it's not, you don't have to, but you're putting your clothes. Now we have our comb. Comb. Flip. Comb this through. Now this allows the beard oil to spread evenly. You know, not that your fingers don't do a good job. And it also helps keeping it, just, you know, straighten it out. Of course, we're doing the mustache from side to side here. For now, so we can keep it out of the food. Hey guys, you don't always have to buy the same beard balm as the beard oil. You can mix and match, because cedarwood oud, it's another one of the beard oils that I have as well that actually smell really, really good. Okay, but I have found with that Nag Champa beard oil and this beard balm, beard butter, right here, beard butter. Mixing this combination smells great. Just get a dime size on, get it through your hands. The combination of these two, I just can't explain it. To me, it smells really good, and I've had a lot of people say, "Wow, you know, your beard's starting to look really good, like it did before." But not only that, you smell fantastic. And this, you know, I put a fair amount of this on, more than probably most, but I don't really reapply. And it's healthy. It's got all sorts of good shit in it, so it's also good to butter up. You can throw it in your hair too. Oddly enough, probably no one said this on beard channels, on, you know, any of the beard channels, but look at that. Look at that, just to help out slick up the hair. I mean, really. I mean, if it helps you, if it helps put your beard hair down, which is more coarse than your head hair, then why wouldn't it? Okay. So that's that part. Okay. That's that part of the beard taken care of. So I've showed you what I do to aid in growing a patchy beard. Grow in a patchy beard. Care. Got the shower. Washed it with the beard wash and the conditioner today. We shaved it. Now I think it's looking pretty good. Now I'm going to be right back. I'm going to get dressed and go over how I re-maintain this, what I do after I'm dressed. All right. Okay, now that we're back, final step is mustache wax. Why mustache wax? And I apologize for the buzzing noise earlier. I had a dehumidifier in here to keep all the fog out of the bathroom. So hopefully you could hear me. If not, just turn the video up. Don't forget, subscribe to this video. Now, this mustache wax is in a chapstick roller, so don't get it confused with your chapstick. Make sure you read it. It says Father's Mustache Wax on here. Okay, there's many different types of mustache wax. I actually have 3 different types. This is one of my all-too go-time favorites, okay, that I carry with me. You can see that I've been using it because it does have a little bit of hair on it. So when I use this, I just go under here and I twirl it. Now it says to use an abundance of it and then comb it in. Okay, but we already have the other stuff on the beard and on there, so that's not necessary. And this is just to help a little bit with getting your mustache in the way of things. Now it's not going to give you the curls, anything like that. I do have one that when I had a much longer mustache, I could curl it with that, okay? Excuse me. I could give it a little twirl, but it didn't stay too long. So when my mustache is longer, I will give you the secret to flipping those edges up, and it's a lot dumb and easier than you thought. Again, mustache wax, twirl it like that. You don't want too much or you'll start to see flakes, but for that we're good. We'll put that cap away, keep it in your pocket with your comb, because you know, down the road you might want to comb under, which you can as well. Again, this video is how to grow an Apache beard. I think we did a pretty good job here today. I'll keep updating you with the derma roller and the beard growth oils and everything that I purchased. I do have another beard oil coming. It was supposed to be here last night, but it's really bad weather out there, cold and icy, so I don't blame Amazon. But until then, subscribe to the channel, get that entry, hit a like, hit a share. You know, why not? Have a happy and safe holiday. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. I'll have some short videos coming out soon. Until then, be safe, enjoy your holidays, and don't shave your beard.